Hi everyone, we are Group 2 and going to present the query transactions for the University Accommodation Office Database System. For the question A, present a report listing the manager's name and the telephone number for each hall of residence. We will write the syntax as select hall manager file number from the entity of hall of residence. Below will show the result of hall manager and telephone number. And for question B, present a report listing the names and the matriculation numbers of students with the details of their lease agreement. We will write the syntax as select student name and all lease from the student as lease L, where student matriculation numbers equals to lease matriculation number. Below will show all the result for the report listing the name and matriculation number of students with the details of their lease agreements. Followed by question C, display the details of the lease agreement that includes the summer semesters. We will write the syntax as select all from the lease, where duration of the lease equals to summer semester. Below will show the result of the question above. D, display the detail of the total rent paid by given students. We will write the syntax select sum I invoice pay as total rent pay from student S invoice I lease L, where student matriculation number equals to 240518 and student matriculation numbers equals to lease matriculation numbers and lease numbers equals to invoice lease number. Below show the result for these questions. E, present a report on students that have not paid their invoice by a given date. We will write the syntax as select student matriculation number, student name, invoice payment, and invoice date of pay from entity of student as invoice I and lease L, where invoice payment is smaller than invoice date of pay, and student matriculation number equals to lease matriculation number and lease number equals to invoice lease number. We will show the results. F, display the details of flat inspections where the properties were found to be in unsatisfactory condition. We will write the syntax as select all from student inspection, where satisfactory condition equals to no. We will show the results. G, present a report of the names and matriculation numbers of students with their room numbers and place number in a particular hall of residence. We will write the syntax as select student matriculation number, student name, lease place number, lease room number from student S, lease L, where student matriculation number equals to lease matriculation number. Below will show the result of the above questions.
For question H, present a report listing the details of all students currently on the waiting list for accommodation that is not placed. We will insert the SQL syntax as select all from student where status equals to waiting. And this is the result of question H. For question I, display the total number of students in each student category. The SQL syntax will be select category of student, count category of student as total number of student from student, group by category of student, and this is the result of question I. J, present a report of the names and matriculation numbers for all students who have not supplied details of their next of kin. The SQL syntax will be select name, matriculation number from student where next of kin is not. This is the result of question J. K, display the name and internal telephone number of the advisor of studies for a particular student. The SQL syntax will be select student matriculation number, student name, advisor full name, advisor internal telephone number. From student as advisor A, where student advisor ID equals to advisor ID and matriculation number equals to 240518. This is the example of the result of question K. L. Display the minimum, maximum, and average monthly rent for rooms in halls of residence. We'll insert the SQL syntax as select minimum monthly rent rate as minimum, maximum monthly rent rate as maximum, average monthly rent rate as average from room. This is the result of question L. For question M, display the total number of places in each hall of residence. The SQL syntax will be select hall number, count place number as total number of places from room are grouped by hall number, and this is the result of the count and the total number of places.
Followed by the last number of query transactions. Question N, display staff number, name, age, current location for all members of the accommodation staff who are over 60 years old today. You will write the SQL syntax as select staff number, name, location, date of birth, convert, date, system date, time of set as today, date different, year, date of birth, system date, time of set as age from accommodation staff, where date difference, year, date of birth, system time of set bigger than 60. Below will show the result of the question N. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.